Today's automotive and collision repair industry has faced many changes quickly, from repair facilities to the claims process after a collision. Repair facilities need to be technically educated and updated consistently with the approaching advancements and keep them aligned with the developments. Recently there has been many dissimilar operating systems become part of our collision and repair environment, updating and changing how body shop estimating systems networked with other communications firmware from insurance companies, to new service technical bulletin service manuals in the service and repair area. All of these systems require training to not only master but to enable an employee to continue their understanding through education. Training should encompass every aspect of the organization, from the claims department of an insurance company to the repair facility. Continuing advances in technology and repair standards have increased the skill level required of all the collision repair professionals, whether it may be the repair facility or the insurance providers. In a world of increasingly multifaceted and various vehicle designs, highly specific and current training is necessary to perform the procedural repairs that keep the occupant safe. Few people realize that collision technicians work with computers and other high-tech equipment. Today's vehicles are made of more than just ordinary manufactured steel of yesterday. Many automobile manufacturers now use high-strength steel, high-strength aluminum, and plastic. Each possesses a unique challenge for the repairer. Structurally, many components are designed to fail in such a way to absorb the energy of a collision, rather than transfer that energy to the vehicle occupants. It is the responsibility of the repair technician to replace the safety features of a vehicle following a collision and to restore the motor vehicle to factory specifications through specific repair techniques. It has been understood that a collision affects a vehicle's structure in three directions: height, width, and length. Restoring these three dimensions to their original specifications perfectly is more important than ever. With a little better planning prior to the repair, in terms of careful measuring, will save you time, money, and problem solving down the road. Like many industries, the collision industry is in the midst of major technological change, ever newer and more advanced changes that make our jobs easier in some ways and make our livelihoods more challenging. Many of these changes are driven by the ever-increasing complexity of the modern vehicles, requiring facilities equipped to so and proper education. Although voluntary but should be required, the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, offers many certification examinations, from the auto body mechanics to the insurance claims adjuster. These have become widely approved credentials, especially in urban areas of the U.S. Body mechanics earn certification if they pass an exam and possess 2 years of work experience. To the insurance adjuster and the technician, these credentials are vital in the collision industry to eliminate error and increase productivity. The completion of an educational program for auto body repair can count as 1 year of experience. Technicians that pass all 4 exams are certified as ASE Master Collision Repair and Refinish Technicians. In the insurance business, risk reduction and safety is a necessity. iCar provides industry-recognized training for everyone involved in the repair of your customers' vehicles, from your physical damage appraisers to all the technicians at the shops in your repair networks. Training progresses from foundational through to expert levels. iCar offers a training pathway intended specifically for auto physical damage appraisers, so you can be confident in your abilities and be prepared to excel. An employee holding dual certifications, the ASE and iCar, productivity is increased through knowledge. Today is an exhilarating time to be a part of the automobile industry, even though the demands on the business have never been greater. Expectations of vehicle quality, reliability, safety, and utility are at an all-time high, from the environmental aspect to the customer. We are witnessing major structural changes. Globalization of the industry is being realized through business alliances, industry, academic, and government partnerships. Environmental concerns, including tailpipe emissions, carbon dioxide production, remain critical elements on the manufacturer's agenda. Within these changes, jobs are and will be created requiring industry-recognized training for everyone involved in the repair of a vehicle, from your physical damage appraisers to all the technicians at the shop networks. Also, auto technology is beginning to allow cars to actually see all around, collecting data on possible roadway concerns and giving drivers eyes in the back of their heads. Since more than 90% of crashes involve driver miscalculation, automakers created a range of safety systems components and sensors that aid drivers for brief periods to help avoid accidents. Driver assist systems include lane departure and blind spot warnings, automatic braking, adaptive cruise control, telematics control systems, and more still yet to come. Technological improvements in computers, smartphones, cellular, Wi-Fi and GPS communications and the cloud have converged to advance safety for connected the consumer, emergency services, family, and working associates. Connectivity and the internet are changing the world of automobiles, and more change is coming. The percentage of new passenger cars globally shipping with factory-installed telematics will increase from nearly 10% in 2010 to 62% in 2016, according to ABI research. As of now, little information is currently available regarding the specifics of automated vehicle repair. The industry will see increased usage of online training segments, and manufacturing companies will work closely with industry associations to circulate information and training. Looking forward, cars may soon be communicating to each other and to the roadway. Car-to-car information sharing can alert vehicles miles behind that cars ahead have come to a stop, warning drivers to prepare to slow down. Smart roadways will allow stop signs and traffic lights to interconnect with vehicles, as sensors inform the occupant if another vehicle is running a red light. Traffic lights could be synchronized to improve traffic flow, fuel efficiency, and if there is only one vehicle sitting at a traffic light late at night, the light could be programmed to turn green. Today's leading automakers are developing vehicles that park themselves, brake to a complete stop at the sign of danger and stay in lanes without driver assistance. What once only existed in the imaginations of science fiction writers is now being developed and tested by automotive manufacturers in laboratories and on roadways across the globe. As partially autonomous functions in vehicles become more common, the advancements to achieving fully driverless cars becomes ever smaller. Today's emerging technology, sensors able to read traffic signals and road sign, while also employing vehicle-to-vehicle, V2V, and vehicle-to-infrastructure, V2I, systems to navigate roadways, traffic, and pedestrian hazards will be available widespread in the future. Trends in auto technology are all about connecting cars and their occupants to the outside world in a seamless manner, and consumers demand connected vehicles that sync with smartphones. The importance of computer systems in cars is growing, from automatic braking systems to climate control. Similar to computers and smartphones, parts like onboard sensors and built-in microprocessors comprise the backbone of today's cars, requiring the hiring of thousands of software programmers who play an even greater role in vehicle design and operation. Most damage adjusters who work for insurance companies and independent adjusting firms are auto damage appraisers. They examine damaged vehicles after an accident and estimate the cost of repairs. This information then goes to the adjuster, who puts the estimated rate of repairs into the settlement. Claims adjusters, appraisers, examiners, and investigators typically do the following: inspect, evaluate, and settle insurance claims. Determine whether the insurance policy covers the such loss claim. Decide the appropriate amount the insurance company should pay. Ensure that claims are not fraudulent. Contact claimants, doctors, or employers to get additional information on questionable claims. Confer with legal counsel on claims when needed. Negotiate settlements and authorize payments. Appraisers estimate the cost or value of an insured item. Generally, a high school diploma or equivalent is typically required for a person to work as an entry-level claims adjuster, examiner, or investigator. However, having a bachelor's degree is preferred. Higher positions require a minimum of a bachelor's degree with some insurance-related work experience. Auto damage appraisers typically have either a post-secondary non-degree award or work experience in identifying and estimating the cost of automotive repair. Prospects for claims adjusters in property and casualty insurance will likely be best in areas susceptible to natural disasters. These areas include the Gulf Coast, which can have a large number of hurricanes, and the West Coast, which is vulnerable to wildfires. Nationwide, employment of claims adjusters, appraisers, examiners, and investigators is projected to grow 3% from 2014 to 2024, slower than the average for all occupation. Industry is evolving. Experience, education, enhancement of skills, and capability is vital in the collision business to lay the groundwork for the complex technologies of today and for tomorrow, where efficiency and safety is concerned. When insurance companies and repair facilities embrace new technology and education in the collision repair industry, it lowers costs. It also helps the shop become more productive and efficient when serving customers. It's no secret when good work is done, it creates happy customers, which increase business. Many companies even use mobile phones and social media to do business with customers and vendors. Social networks like Facebook are often a part of the auto collision industry, allowing potential new clients to keep up with friends and others who have experience with a particular auto repair shop. Another example of new technology changing the industry is Genesis. They have a product called Scene Exchange, a technology marketplace that delivers repair opportunities to auto collision shops, allowing them a chance to decide if they can take a repair job or not. These are just some of the new technologies available and progressing the industry forward. Cloud technology makes these services more affordable and accessible. Smartphones are being used to run the repair shop from the business side of things more and will continue to grow and evolve. A manager can walk through the shop with a mobile device while updating information, sending tasks for employees to do, taking photos and videos for a repair order. They can go on vacation and still check in to see the status of every order within the shop.